friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send your Google Docs as an attachment to any recipient, and they don't have to have a Google account. They'll be able to open and read this file without needing a Google account, and this is very easy, and I'm going to show you how. So whether you have your Google Docs open already or you have it somewhere stored within your Google Drive or wherever, you go ahead and open up that Google document, right? And as you can see, I have let's say a dummy document here. Yours may be something very nice, very important, so you want to send that. Right now, all you have to do is simply click on File in the upper left hand side, and you want to click on email and click email this file. Now you'll have this pop-up here. You want to go ahead and enter the email address, of course, right? So I'm going to enter email address here. And once you go ahead and enter that email address, the trick is you can go ahead and change the file type. Now go ahead and choose, for example, PDF, because as you know, PDF, if you're using, for example, Google Chrome, you can easily open up the PDF document in Google Chrome. So that means that you don't even need to have a Google account. Whichever email account you have, inbox you're using, maybe you're using Outlook, maybe you're using Yahoo, whatever you may be using as your email client, you can go ahead and open up that email and view the file. So for example, you're selecting PDF or you're selecting Microsoft Word document or open document, whatever it might be. I'm going to use PDF. So select PDF, and all you have to do is go ahead and click send. Of course, you can go ahead and add a note. You can say, please read this, or whatever you want to write, right? I'm going to say that. Yeah, and go ahead and hit send. And once you go ahead and hit send, that person will receive the Google document that you have sent to them, and they'll be able to open that in PDF. Now I have my account open, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply open up a new window here, and I'm going to go ahead and read that document and show you that I don't have to go ahead and open up anything. But as I said, I have a Google account, but in your case, that this person don't have to have a Google account. So you'll receive the document here, and you will see that document, and because I send it as a PDF, as you can see the attachment here within my email, I can simply go ahead and download it, or I can click on that, and as you can see, it opens up and read as a PDF, right? So you can see it's a PDF document, right? So you can even go ahead and download that to your computer. As you can see, the document's downloaded, and if I open it, it opens up in a new tab and allows me to read it as PDF. And as I said, this person don't have to have a Google account. It can be whichever account. You just need to send it to their email address, send it as PDF, Word, whatever option you want to choose, and they'll be able to read it without have to have a Google account. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.